How would you like to make anywhere from $100 to $700 per hour directly into your PayPal account online from the comfort of your own home? If there was a website out there that could pay you that kind of money, $100 to $700 per hour, wouldn't you keep watching this video? Well, call me crazy, but I think it would be in your best interest to do so, because this is big boy money. This is big boy money. This is big girl money. This is serious life-changing money, all from one website. And to get started requires no investment from you. Yes, it's free. It's available worldwide, and you can cash out every single day directly into your PayPal account, so you don't have to wait for your money. All you're gonna need is a computer, an internet connection, and be willing to join short online discussions about various topics such as this one. Jump on for 45 minutes, discuss laundry products, get paid $100. Do you use Tide? Do you use Bounty fabric sheets? Do you wash your clothes in a river by hand? 45 minutes, get paid $100. Or how about this one, seeking online tree buyers? 15 minutes, make $100. Have you bought a tree online in the past 2 years? Well, guess what? Yes, you have. I don't care if you haven't. You have, because you're gonna make $100 in 15 minutes. Are you interested in learning a language? We'd love to hear from you. I don't care if you're not interested at all. You're gonna tell them that you are indeed interested in learning a new language, because for 45 minutes of your time, you're gonna make a quick and easy $50. So you're gonna say, "Si, senor, I am interested in learning a new language. Sayonara." The other thing you're interested in is subscribing to Online Moneymaker. Hit the subscribe button. It's gonna make you feel good, and you're gonna love me after this video. So like the video, subscribe to Online Moneymaker. Let's do this. Are you a young adult who uses social media? You got an extra 85 minutes to spare, make $150. Have you done any shopping in the last year? Check it out, 45 minutes, $100. 45 minutes, $100. 45 minutes, $100. Boom! And you just need to hit this little blue button right now to make all this easy money. You know what I'm saying? But you need to pay attention to this video, because there is a small approval process. But if you follow me and do exactly what I say, you're gonna have no problem. And at the end of this video, I'm gonna show you a way that you can make an extra $50 per day by doing nothing, okay? And here's why it's gonna be important to pay attention to this video and watch it all the way through, because some of the higher paying tasks here require specific experience, like management or architecture, engineering. If you already have that type of experience, good for you. If not, don't worry about it, just follow along. So as you can see, executives, you can average $700 per hour on this site. Business owners, $500 per hour. Software developers, $200 per hour. Marketers, $150 per hour. But even if you don't have any of these skills, there's always a way around it. There's always a hack. This is how it works right here. Verify your profile, get matched, participate, get paid automatically into your PayPal account. You can cash out every single day. And there's something on here for everybody. Look at this, calling all candy lovers. I know you love candy. Jump on for 15 minutes, make a quick and easy $25. You're just gonna scroll through all these opportunities and find something you think you'd be a good fit for and make some money. See, $200, $60, $100. It's endless and it's pretty fun. There's a lot of these in here about home care, like home cleaning products, stuff like that. And what's gonna happen is when you apply for this little study right here, they're gonna ask you, do you use like Pledge to clean your furniture? You always answer yes, because the first question they're gonna ask you is, do you use this product? If you say no, you're not gonna qualify. There's a lot of stuff about home care in here. So this website is called Respondent.io, Respondent.io, and when you come to this website, you wanna click on participants right here, and then you want to hit sign up right here. And this is what the sign up page looks like. Now, before you sign up, I need you to pay attention, because if you do this wrong, it's gonna mess everything up, okay? So you're gonna fill in your first name, your last name, and an email, but you do need to sign up with either a LinkedIn account or a Facebook account. And this is one way they are going to verify that you're qualified for certain stuff. So what I recommend you do is before you even sign up here, go to Preview Projects and just see what they got going. There's a lot of stuff in here relating to like business owners, okay? So that being said, if you don't have a LinkedIn account or a Facebook account, you need to sign up for one of those. That's first. Number two, you need to take a look at these because you may have to go in and change some information around. You may have to just create a fictitious business that you own or something. Now, that's your choice, okay? You're going to get paid more if you do it. If you want to go the 100% honest route, don't do it. You'll still get some surveys. You'll still get made some money. But if you want to make $700 an hour, you're going to have to go check out your Facebook page and maybe say you in the info section, say you own whatever, a candle making service or something like that, okay? Now, again, that's your choice. I'm not saying it's honest. I'm not telling you to do it, but I'm telling you that's the way to go to make the most money. Then once you sign up with either your Facebook account or LinkedIn account, I signed up with my Facebook account, you'll be required to give a phone number and your age. Don't give a false phone number and don't give your false age because a lot of these surveys, they're actually like FaceTime surveys. You're actually on your computer looking at somebody who's looking at you. So if you say you're 20 and you're really 50, that's not going to be good. The next step is to enter your gender. I'm a male. Your ethnicity. I am, what am I? I guess I'm white Caucasian. And then what is your level of education? What level have you completed? Now, follow me on this. I don't care what level of education you have, okay? You're going to put bachelor's degree, okay? Because a lot of these surveys, they won't give to you unless you have a college degree. Don't worry, they're not going to check on it. There's no way they can find out. If they ask where you went to college, say you went to like University of Zimbabwe or something, there's no chance in hell they're going to find out. If you do have a master's degree or a doctorate, by the way, for real, then congratulations, you're going to make a lot of money on this site, so go ahead and put doctorate, you know what I'm saying? You're the one that's going to make $700 an hour, guaranteed. Next step is to enter the city you live in and be honest about that because they have surveys that are city specific. Like for instance, I saw one in there, they'd like you to go to a McDonald's in Phoenix and order a Big Mac or something and get paid $100. So if you don't live in Phoenix, you can't do that. So you got to be honest about this right here. Enter your real city. And don't worry about it. No matter where you live in the world, there's going to be opportunities for you on this website. I saw one specifically for Europe. I saw one specifically for New Zealand. So it doesn't matter where you live, there's something for you here. Now here's a part of the sign-up process that you really need to pay attention to. You need to follow me here and do exactly what I do, okay? What best describes your employment, okay? You want to say self-employed owner, okay? Now remember, your LinkedIn page or your Facebook page has to reflect that. It's real easy to do. Just go change the biography section of your Facebook page to say you own a business. 5 industries that are applicable for you. Now really look over these. You do not want to select something that you absolutely know nothing about. Like for instance, airlines and aviation. If you're not a pilot, if you don't work at an airport, don't put that because next thing you know, you're going to be face to face on a computer with somebody that's wanting to pay you a bunch of money and asking you questions and you're going to be lost. So go through. If you do know anything about any of these, go ahead and pick them. Like I think apparel and fashion is a safe one to go with. Arts and crafts is a safe one to go with. What else we got here? I would go with, let's see. I mean, if you like computer games, do that. But I would go with anything that's got to do with like consumer goods, consumer electronics. Those are going to be easy ones. If you're a lady, go with cosmetics. I'm sure you know a lot about that. So don't rush through this part. Just pick ones that you think you can spend in 30 minutes to an hour face-to-face on a computer with somebody discussing. Next, they want to know what level in the company you are. What's your level of seniority? Now remember, we are the owners. So you do not want to pick employee or partner. You want to pick Chief X Officer, okay? And then the name of the company you work for. Now again, whatever you put in your LinkedIn or your Facebook page needs to go here. Under this, what is your job title? We're going to add a custom job title. So you want to click that on, and in here you want to put sole proprietor, okay? Sole proprietor. See, just like that. And the reason for this is, at this point, we want to give them as little information as possible. So if you say you have partners or anything like that, they may want to contact them, okay? Now, work email. We're just going to click that off, okay? We don't need to give them a work email. but we do need to describe our role at work, just a few words. So whatever business you created, or whichever one you may actually own a business, I don't know, just throw a few words in here, not too much, okay? As little as possible. Okay, same here. What is the size of your company, number of employees? This is important also. You're gonna go 1 to 10, okay? And then here just enter any random skill that you think you can get away with. It just has to be a minimum of 3 characters. Don't make it something like watching porn or whatever. You want to put like, typing, let's say, or social media marketing. Okay, social media, there we go. No, we're not going to do typing. Let's go social media marketing. But you can just figure that one out for yourself. And this is probably the most important part of the whole sign-up process, how you get paid. So, PayPal account, you want to put your PayPal information here. If you don't have a PayPal account at this moment, just put your email address, but you do need to sign up for a PayPal account so you can collect all that money. Then just read through this code of conduct agreement, and I'm sure we're violating some of these, especially if you're like me and you're claiming you own a business and you really don't. I don't feel bad about that. You may. That's your problem. And then just hit complete. And now you have a dashboard and you are free to start exploring all the money-making opportunities that this site has to offer. Look at this hair journal exercise. I don't know what that is, but it's $100 for only 30 minutes, okay? These get uploaded, new surveys or whatever you want to call them, get uploaded every single day. So you want to jump on here every day and check it out. Now, if you want to make an extra 50 to $100 every day, you're gonna refer your friends to this site. You're gonna copy this link right here. That'll be your own personal referral link, and you're gonna post that wherever you want. You get on your Facebook page and you say, hey, I've been making $100 an hour on this site. If any of you are interested, here's a link to get you started, okay? And guaranteed, some people are gonna do it. So listen, your next job is to subscribe to Online Moneymaker. Like this video, and thank you so much for watching. Go out and make some money. See ya.